Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. In today's report, we will look at the alleged killing of a United Nations staff member while in security custody in Wau. Second, we'll look at the release of a detained activist in Awil after 8 months in prison. And third, we'll look at a clear explanation of South Sudan planned 2026 election and why many people are confused. And finally, we'll look at a human story from Unity State where people are drowning in flood while oil wealth flow elsewhere. Before we start with our main top story, please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin our report with the UN staff member allegedly killed in custody in Wau. According to the report, the United Nations mission in South Sudan known as UNMISS say one of its national staff member has been killed while in detention in the town of Wau, Western Barghazal state. According to UNMISS, the staff member was arrested by security forces on December 15, 2025. From that day, the United Nations say the man remained in custody. Day later, he was found dead, still under the control of security actors. The UN has not released the name of the victim. UNMISS strongly condemned the killing. In its statement, the mission described the incident as shocking, serious, and unacceptable. The United Nations said it had been actively communicating with authorities from the moment the staff member was detained, trying to find his location, understand the reason for his arrest, and secure his safe release. Despite this effort, the staff member did not return alive. UN leadership speak. The officer in charge of UNMISS, Ms. Anita Kiki, say the mission is devastated. She stated clearly that the killing of United Nations personnel is unacceptable. She demanded an immediate investigation, a full explanation of what happened, and accountability for those responsible. She also reminded authorities that protecting United Nations staff is not optional. It is a legal obligation under international law. So while this case is serious, this incident raised major concern. United Nations staff members are protected persons. Harming them is considered a serious international crime. This case also adds to ongoing concern about arbitrary arrests, prolonged detention without trial, and the behavior of security forces. So far, no official explanation has been given. No suspect have been named, no arrests have been announced. UNMISS said it expects full cooperation from South Sudanese authorities. This case is being closely watched by international partners, diplomats, and human rights organizations. Let's move on to our second top story. Activists release a staff after 8 months. We now move to Awil in northern Barghazal state. A prominent activist by the name Dut Kwada Kok has been released from prison after spending nearly 8 months behind bars. His release came after a direct order from the newly appointed state governor, General Charles Maduda call. Why was he arrested? Dut Kwada Kok was arrested after posting critical message on Facebook. In those posts, he accused the former governor Simon Uber Mawood of corruption, mismanagement, and failure to control deadly protests. These posts led to criminal defamation charges. He was first held at a national security facility for more than a month. Later in May, he was formally arrested and jailed. Kwad said he has been in prison since May 2020 this year. He explained that his court case was delayed His appeal process was slowed, and justice did not move as expected, despite the pressure from families, civil society, and right groups. The former governor refused to release him. Reaction to his release. Speaking after his release, court confirmed he left Awil Central Prison at around 11 a.m. His family welcomed the decision with relief. Civil society group also praised the new governor moved. One activist said, "It is unfortunate to keep someone in jail for almost a year just for speaking." They look at the bigger picture, freedom of expression in South Sudan. This case highlights a bigger problem in South Sudan. The country still uses old law that criminalize defamation. This law allows arrest, imprisonment, and punishment for criticism of leaders. International rights organizations have repeatedly warned that such laws are used to silence activists, scare journalists, and restrict free speech. Court's release is seen a positive step, but many say the law itself must change. Our third top story, South Sudan election 2026. Now let us turn to election, one of the most confusing and controversial, we can say it, a controversial topic in South Sudan. Leaders say the country will hold a general election in December 2026, but many citizens are asking, is it real this time? Who agreed? Who was left out? Let us explain this step by step. What leader decided in Juba on December 10, 2025? The transitional government confirmed election will be held on December 22nd, 2026. Leaders said election are the exit from transition. South Sudan has been in a transitional period since 2018, after a peace deal ended a long civil war. The transition has already been extended 3 times. Let's look at the major change to the peace deal. Leaders made important change. First, election will happen before a permanent constitution. Second, population census will be done after election. Third, election will use the 2011 transitional constitution. Supporters say this change removes delays. Critics say they break the spirit of the peace agreement. So where is Dr. Machar? This is one of the biggest problems. Dr. Machar's SPLMIO faction was not included in this consultation. Dr. Machar is a key signatory to the peace deal, currently facing trial in Juba. Political sideline it. His absence raised serious questions. Can election happen without him? What about areas under SPLMIO influence? Some analysts said election can proceed. Others want this exclusion undermine trust and legitimacy. So are elections possible by 2026? Technically yes, but many key things are missing. Voter registration, security arrangement, unified forces, free political space. Security remains the biggest threat in South Sudan. Without peace, election risk, violence, rejection, instability. Money and donor support. Elections are expensive. South Sudan is facing economic crisis. Unpaid salaries, reduced oil revenue, donors are cautious. Without transparency and agreement, funding may not come. This raises fear of another extension despite promises. Let's move on to Unity State. Please help the channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Unity State float and forgotten people. We now go to Unity State, the heart of South Sudan oil production. Despite oil wealth, people here are drowning in floods. For 6 years in a row, flood water swallow villages, destroy cattle, force families onto a small island of dry land. A woman named Nyakweka Bodnyal, 42 years old, tells her story. Her own village has been underwater for 4 years. She now lives behind a mud dike built to hold back flood. She says, if this dike was not here, we would not be alive. The dike protects over 100,000 people around Bentiu and Rukona. Temporary protection, permanent suffering. Officials admit that dikes are not permanent. Flood will continue. Maintenance is difficult. If one section break, everything flood. Food is scarcity. Land is infertile. People survive by fishing, collecting water plant. Nyakweka said, area only surviving, not living. United States produce most of the country oil, but residents said they see no benefit, no service, no protection. Oil will flow elsewhere while communities suffer. These 4 stories show one truth. South Sudan crisis is not just about politics. It is about people. A UN worker dies in custody. An activist loses months of his life for speaking. Election promise hope but carry fear. Flood victims survive while sitting on oil. The question remains, who is being protected and who is being forgotten? Thank you for watching Changfied News. Please like, share, and subscribe to Changfied News for trusted update. Biaka mal gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel ka jan gwasame gor jan ojin kan konu niam der channel der support der subscribe ko de lati content lot karodin ka liang de kan chamala shubkaji ati kon ka lere dang want goro bu kon ka ling lere ne mbaro ka kwide yala dun wona na cha UN staff member cha janak rewe chwal ka wow ban right ka kwide na mo lere rewde take activist ka will mi cha yen ka pes dang badak kwa jela pailun ban right ka kwide do dan yen ka ja ban right gwasame ka kwi South Sudan election do ben cha plan ka je akum South Sudan no bajelat ka jen December ke chang jan dang ro idero ka pai waro ronkin dang ro with jan dang ro bakal ka lere jak bara ka kwi United State gwan mi shui natin ka nyoch mo moina kenen kon bal ga jen gwasme. Please make sure to subscribe ku notification bell ci jetwan yana je to ka United State asan je to ka United staff members ka lere ana chalat gwasme waji UN United Nation take arandian shanak dor shwal ka wow United Nations mission rewika South Sudan kiman shwal ka UNMISS ano kenete randian mila national staff member mishanak gwan michayi yenten rewika wow ko Western Bargazal state ne de kontila ji UNMISS kala do ne sharandian chaje yen ji security force ka shanga wel dich ka pai wero ronkin dangro irjen dangro do dich michayi ne kano chayi la dol yena jen gwal dan yede we jenten ko konin to tot de ko larno chirme ko konin dangwan yo jojo gwano chudo mo che liwre ti jen chala do jen nakanija ka jodan chala de ken kan ji wan kan chur kan lat gwada dan liwra mutin no ram tedi aram chili woni karam kel mala let ke ji UNMISS ngoda kan chur kan lat ci ji UNMISS of course ikana condemn and tadan charan den charan nakaja akana nene mi charan ji UNMISS mi chajen nak akana neme akani areg midit ko ko ngoda kon yena rodin kake wani tin kontilet ke ji United Nation wala gangane ke chade goro jen wo de kanak ane kan yam ji United Nation ji kan goro no de kan gwada dan shenga de kan ngake gwada dan chai yentin ke do dan yan je ke ko kan release no dur mitere che duiro so anyok chicken la wo de jelun but kan ne kontila authority kan goro ba jelun so no mo wajen do dan ci tuok ci ram me la members ke ji UNMISS la staff member cha yede cha jabat wa investigation chatin ko be kan do badan en nakaje bi kan gor neme mi chala do shi en chang nam no binating continental national security bi kana bi kan kayan wa kan lat ke tisho den lo de long ka do badan dong de na de kan tere kaje mi ran che we dong lara dor dan la ja yan ke ken ka cha je bi gor me kule la re ke long no cha jo nak do lien mana cha je yentin ajen mi jet lo jen kaje akan mi shirka na me akan ne dial kon let ke UNMISS akan de gang de ka gang ko teram de tek de basko ken kanetin kon lokana rewi ka South Sudan netin kontin chuch chan right ka kwi wut ka mi cha yen rewi ka wil ka cha nyoko mo loin gejen adaro shal ka me a will Northern Bargazal state ke wun mishal ka dut kod a kok jen wa ramim mo milla rach no jen cha je yen ka padang badek rete jen padang badek to wajen yan ke je Governor wun mishali General Charles Maduda Kol dut koda kok jena wate ka raj michalat ka social media she wuda mom la governor Michal Simon Uber Mawut wache jala jor ka corruption kan mismanagement wache kwak chagareleka kan o kan protest mi na lutin kan je control wa mi che warga gor ko online cha jo kef yan je ne ka chanya dang ro ro ka pai dich an wena mo chwayo gagrete jen kwa je la pai luin ka korpen dang badak na mo mi shoda lat gwas me chala do ne na kot chala no yan kan ne ka chanya dang ro ro ka pai dich ka jen ron to kontina ajanian kana no gono baluk kana no gono ba lab ko ba appeal kan man dana dong chalar ka social media ajane jen do badan yan ka chinetin content activist dilodien che jega longre wichin winami ko ajen do badan yan kana la ja yan ka chaje bului banedi ko kenten la international community chigan la do nene kana en ramu mo en ran take freedom of expression dera man la da michu je dere lat chaje de yen ka michit kana mone so baji yen ka do mi mo min la ne rodu wa jen je ka South Sudan o do mi mo kwa silent collectivist ka jakan journalism ko bi ka dual kan o teram bi joro bi jalep name awakel amijak shi international community jikana lat international right organization jikala do name warning michine tumno wal kum South Sudan no chwa journalist ni activist ana chwa ka gorno bi yen ka yen ko kan in content kula right ku community ka gwadran shu content namo amit la roda sha dol mo cha ilun ko korpen dang badak South Sudan election chan right ku ida ka la dan chalat gwasemen shi kuma ma raike kirmi yadi chala do ken shi ken election shi ken yot ka chang jandang rawi raw ka pai wero rawi ka South Sudan netin wan lat ken no ne ken ne me to pujino ba ko in kwar ba jalat ka ron kin dang raw jandang raw bakel ke ba nyok mu yot ka jenya ko te ka tan walong te kalat bat ka jo chalat gwaseme wanetin kontin chir right lat ken transitional government chai bi nyok mu yot ka jenya akane badil to ka jen pai wera wo ben ka korke mi sha election chajelat bar gwaseme te garin wana shalat sha ban pinyo kuma kirmi yadit ken jigala do ne akane permanent constitution ke bon woni bajelat baje tu ko korke mi sha election chajela la queen kware ka kana mun to cikan nyo la do ne akane population census baje lat ka korke mi sha election chaje tu kana me kana mun to ban wo de na de kulo kwen ci na cika kwai na mo chagu jeno chi jan bone the audience can election ne the content ballot wa ba unit transitional constitution dan me chalane ke 2011 me dan lat ke queen independent kan ba user the reality kuma kirm yadit la support reke lat ken go ayelong ko kware movement content kwa queen kwar kwa je delay but can it in content ka bon do dien kan me che chong jakan ko biken mal biken yar shit ko tin adunu ne doctoring ma char jane darho machar ka jen mishayat pinye kum kirm yadit chaja gagrar ken ji kwaradian darho machar kwera spele mayo faction jen kana include ka jen decision me kana consult bane so ka jen jaram dala ki signatory ke male dani chatain right now tere wiki juba gwal mi mo tere lok ke lokja chaja sideline ke chaja lapgeka lo chele la part of decision making re wika South Sudan ban ne dun ngai ken no ne ta dan en chai banjor ke je waja ka kuin kwar ko chaje bilad ba jagar di alko bika dot chalet ko jen ramkel medit metekalwang ka teke power ko de do dan de mal de lat ke je ki de kuin ko de lat ke je jaram dan de participate bat ke jo dan chalat gwaseme chagu je no ne mishit kana me te don walong to game to don cha kuin kwar chare lat ke je menyam voter registration kana konto ne de kon de kulo vote security arrangement ba kana releka gangna kan in 5 force for the ideal SPLIO kan SSPDF kan ko konmat no na me boni ketun wani yar kanwa anyo free political space kana ko releka ko ne ideal deran de kan kwere de kan kwan kwere dan de kuleru men de kulo kwan ko ne party te karandien me kana kwan me participate ka jen 2026 election mo bala dane ba tagu jeno te dial ti ngore kan kalat me jago South Sudan te ko ngore te kare mara dien awatele yo tele donori no ko election wa very expensive mela yo la ka gore mu yo kan ka yor pin ke kan ka nu la malatke la daga la dai so anti chalati wa simple ke promise ne te kan las let akume wa go je no chebe talk a changman chicken decision chicken make of course kala do ne ba ti dial ba ko kon process mi cha go je no yo bo won yam na proceed ban mu da kana kan ka go di kon latke dong ba je cancel and me le do re wichin win mi chara nyo right gwasme United States wa chui na tin long wa dorung wane kan rai wichin winami ka binteo wa chaka moye nyoj chui na long rai wichin winami ka nyoj ka jo ran chalat gwas mene wa ne chop ka 100,000 ne chop ke kind kor wa chui kan rai wika binteo dor shal ke kana rup kona kana godi ala koken wa ken chigurin kulalat ka tiegne jan gwada na kuna Washington ka kan korpen te kan yaltini wa nyo ti long ka jo ran chalat gwam tele kon na ku kala chamni rich akana ko kena to dong de na de ka tigden de kanang nyam go jamo akane en tie ga mo mi dak akane de na de ka riar ke de ka liu ko jan gwadan ku gat ku letin ka de kwak te ten so a sham bej an chiang kana ta jo me cha jalat jan gwadan gorno de pekten me an biya te kamal bye bye.